Young palm tree, slender guardian of the south. Pine trees dance as gentle winds move through. The lotus flower deep within my heart is blooming. Every drop of silence brings a smile anew.
The linden whispers honey words of day. The poplar reaches upward toward the sky. The spruce keeps children's dreams throughout the night. While slowly, slowly, sunlight passes by. Hey, a moment of peace, let the heart breathe. The Neretva sings,
Washing every sorrow free.
slowly, slowly.
Let the hands of time stand still.
Among the trees, my soul finds peace and feels. Hey, a moment of peace
Beneath the southern sky,
in the whispering leaves.
my troubles drift and die when
Life grows quiet, the world moves slow.
in nature's silence
I find myself once more.
Moisture floats like a dream above the golden grass. Birds hide their secrets where sweet fragrances pass. I sit upon an old bench, listening to the day as if time itself were playing a song my way. Mysterious trees, wise sages made apart, telling stories no one hears after dark. Every ring and every branch carries a sign. Nature leaves its message in the heart of time.
Yeah, a moment of peace, let the heart breathe. The Neretva sings,
Washing every sorrow free.
slowly, slowly.
Let the hands of time stand still.
Among the trees, my soul finds peace and feels. Hey, a moment of peace
Beneath the southern sky,
in the whispering leaves.
my troubles drift and die when
Life grows quiet, the world moves slow.
in nature's silence
I find myself once more.
the sun pours gold upon the ancient branches, and the southern breeze carries a scent so sweet. Stone green grass, the Neretva, an endless light. In every leaf a little paradise I meet.
How can people not see these trees are breathing? How can they not hear time riding through the bark? I can feel it when the day sinks into silence, when most are gathered